As you move between the home and office, it's gotta feel seamless. That's why Poly and Microsoft have teamed up. At Poly, we have all the Microsoft Teams devices you need to communicate naturally. These headsets, phones, and video collaboration systems are Teams certified, so you can have your best Teams meetings from anywhere. There's a variety of collaboration options for any size room. For smaller rooms, Poly Studio video bars make the Teams experience super simple. You can walk into a room and easily join a meeting right from the app on your phone. Now, if you've already booked the room, the meeting will show up on the touch console. Start the meeting with one touch. Our all-in-one video bars include Noise Block AI and Acoustic Fence, which remove distracting noise and outside conversations. And the built-in 4K camera automatically crops and zooms to bring focus to the right place throughout a conversation. For larger meeting rooms, Poly Studio E70 has amazing optics, so everyone can be seen and heard. With dual 4K lenses and Poly Director AI technology, the image smoothly frames everyone in the room, or automatically dissolves between speakers for a natural collaboration experience. Our kits span operating systems and room sizes. We have Windows kits for focus rooms, small and medium rooms, and large rooms. We also have Android kits for focus and small rooms, medium rooms, and large rooms. Here at Poly, we have a solution for all your needs, because no matter where you are, virtual teamwork should feel less virtual. Stay connected and join the over 140 million people that push the Teams button.